All right, we should be live. So today, I guess first, welcome everybody. Today, we're gonna just do a little bit of game development here, maybe a little bit of coding and some cleanup. I'm gonna create a couple quests. Haven't done that yet in RPG Builder, so let's see what that process is like really quick. I think it's gonna be pretty simple, and then clean things up, and of course, take some questions in chat. If anybody's got questions, feel free to just drop them right in there. All right, so I'm going to start with cleaning things up a little bit. Here's the current project, and this is kind of the main first scene. It's the place where the player is going to come in after they go through kind of the intro stuff. They'll be inside of here, and there will be a much bigger space station built all around this. But it's just kind of the first little part, keeping it small and simple until I need the other things, just so everything is nice and quick. So I've already got an NPC set up to spawn right here. It's if I can find it, this NPC spawn slot. But I want to clean these all up before we set it all up and set up the actual quest. So let's do that first. I'm gonna just create a couple empty game objects. So create this. I'm gonna call this props and make sure that its position is all zeroed out because it's just gonna be kind of a folder. In fact, let's add some dashes and make it capital props, props, and some more dashes. Make it very, very obvious that it's a folder for anybody else who comes looking at this. I'm going to take all of these cargo containers and just make them all be children. So you can see that's just all these containers sitting over here to the side, just some random props that I've been playing around with. And I make them all into children. So is anybody here? Just making sure everybody can hear and everything is working good. Everything sound okay? If so, just say hello in chat and let me know. Okay, let's keep going. So I want to get this crate moved into there as well. And then let's get another folder for my NPCs. I'm going to create a new empty game object. Give it 2 dashes, call this NPCs, 2 more dashes. Reset that transform so that it's back at all zeros. All right, good. It looks like chat is working and everybody is here. Oh, I've got your asset in here, Shadow Souls, for taking some screenshots and headshots of some of these characters. Yeah, can't get my words out. I'm really, really thirsty. All right, let's take all of my spawners, drag those into NPCs, and take that spawner and drag that in there as well. Kind of want to give these guys names. So this is going to be the doctor NPC. Let's call it spawn doctor NPC. I'm going to call it spawn NPC doctor. And then these ones, I don't remember what they are, so let's go double click on them and find out. I think these might have just been me testing NPCs spawning. So yeah, these were just some random guys spawning, and then I think there's one that spawns over here. What's that one? Let's go select until I can find it. Where is this thing? Okay, let's go back up in here. It's not, oh, it's this one right here. Okay, so this is going to be the guard. I'm going to spawn a guard right here. I want to fix that rotation and have him kind of, I think like maybe over here facing this way. So that'd be rotated, what is that, 90 degrees? Yep. And then move him over just a bit like that. So he's kind of standing in front of the door. So, oh, good. I'm just making sure everything is, oh, the sound is low, huh? I can crank it up just a little bit. Let's turn that up just a little bit in here. Let me know if that's better. Okay. So yeah, I've got my NPCs moved over. I've got the props moved over, and I can delete that missing prefab. I've got a bunch of virtual cameras I'm not using, a spline I'm not using. I'll probably delete those in a little bit. Oh, let's move this cargo case into props. And anything else I want to move in? Not yet. All right, so we've got our NPC is going to spawn here, and that's going to be the doctor. So now we're into RPG builder stuff. So I know that one's the doctor because if I select it, let's go find it. You see over on the right, it's got my NPC list, and it's just this one doctor. If I want to edit that, I don't want to go here. I want to go to AI and NPCs and go find doctor. There we go. So this is that alien doctor, and I want to make him not be a merchant. So I'm going to uncheck that. Let's drag this up here so it's actually visible. We'll uncheck merchant. We will leave quest on, and I think I'm going to uncheck dialogue for now. Maybe I'll add some dialogue in a little bit that gives the quest, but I'm going to start by just doing a quest right from the start, like the default quest dialogue. So the quest text should be like, what should I do now? Because this is going to be when the alien doctor's dropping you off on the space station. Let's see, can be targeted, yes. Interactable, yes. Show nameplate, yeah, I guess why not. Movement enabled, nope. It's not going to move and does not do any collisions. So now we want to add a quest. If I search for quests, there's a blink guard bear quest. That's not what I want to use. That's that default built-in one. So let's save this and then go over to quests, which I think is under, is it world? Yeah, world and quests. Create a new quest, and we're going to call this, well, let's do the first quest. We'll just make them walk over and register with the security. So I'll just do like a register with security and paste that in there for the name. And the description will be, go to the guard and tell them you've arrived. So talk to the guard would be the objective. And then I don't know what progress would be, not a clue. So settings, turn in without NPC, probably not, because I think this is going to be, you're going to walk up to the guard and then just talk to him. Items given, I have no idea. Add a requirement, nope, no, oh, objective. So we will have an objective, and that will be to talk to the NPC. Right now, the only objective is killing a guard bear, so let's not do that and save. And then we'll go make an objective. So go to tasks and new. And then let's find, let's just go with talk to NPC for now. So if you talk to the guard, which will be this space explorer guy that I've made, if you talk to him, that will count as, I guess that can progress for now. I think I really want this to be like more through dialogue though. So you like go up and then chat and do things, but I want to figure out this quest system first. So talk to the guard will be the name, same with the display name, and find the guard in the hangar by the door and talk to them. Save. All right, so we got a task, go back to quests, and in here we'll just go search for that objective right here. Search for that objective, take that talk to the guard task and save. Oh, my name contains invalid. Oh, it's what happened here? Oh, I was on the wrong one. It doesn't like the name though. That's kind of funny. It doesn't like the name of the default one. Strange. Maybe it just thought it was, I don't know. I'm gonna go back to it. Interesting. I wonder if the Blink guys know about this. That's strange. So you go to save the default one and it doesn't, I think it's the apostrophes. Let me go delete those. I want to check. They got some data in here that they no longer consider valid. Yep. Okay. I have to give them a little bit of feedback there. Let them know. So you go, bam, yeah, name contains invalid characters. Oh yeah, I'd definitely love to check out your quest system again. See what it's like. I know I've seen like a little brief glimpse of it, but I'd be curious to see what it's all like. Okay, so we've got the quest set up, and we press play. Oh, well, I'm in the wrong scene, so don't want to press play. I need to figure that out. There must be some way to just play from whatever scene and have it automatically jump into a character, because I certainly don't want it to I don't like having to do this every time. All right, play. We should be at the main menu, able to create a new character. We'll name this one Andrew. Let's get this off screen. Ah, I made Grab It Giant go away. All right. Andrew. And he'll be our human with our robot body. Yeah. Oh, that's right. I get stuck in this scene for a minute. I got to change that. This is me testing stuff out. There are two of them? Oh, there are two of them standing back to back. Nice. All right. So then we come into here and walk over to this thing. Hit E, run over here. There's the doctor. And now I've got the quest. So what should we do now? Okay, this, I said I used the, where's that at? Shadow Box Icon Studio to make this nice little headshot. So check it out if you haven't. I gotta make sure I got a link for that in the description. I got a link for a bunch of the assets. I want to double check that one's in there. Let's see. Let's say what should I do now? And no quests. All right, so let's go find the quest dialog real quick. Where's that at? Come on. Oh, I'm blind. It was literally sitting right in front of me. So I think what we need to do is go to the NPC, go to that doctor one, give him the quest. So I just got to go select register with security, save, and then I think I can just walk up and talk to him again. Let's see, walk on up. What should I do now? There we go. Register with security, go talk to the Space Explorer, or talk to Space Explorer. I don't know, does that say 1? Oh, that's probably his name. Let me go double check. What does it say that? World, tasks, talk to guard, find the guard in the hangar, NPC. Oh yeah, his name is Space Explorer 1. Oh, it's getting the task right there. So it's got the task type right there, and that's where it's getting the name. Let's make this bigger. Display. Ooh, how do I want to do this? I don't have this set up on a second screen, so we'll just drag it so it gets a little bit bigger instead. There we go. So we'll accept the quest, and then let's run over to this other dude. Run past all the weird aliens. I got a whole bunch of them in here. I want to use these all for just different NPCs. Not having to be like monsters you're fighting, but just weird aliens. Oh, cool. I got the doctor's stats right up there. He's got 100 of 100 health. I'm not sure how much of the RPG Builder combat stuff I'm going to use, if any. Oh, it's funny that it's all kind of there, though. All right, so here you go. I'm here to check in. This guy, why does he not show like a name or any text? So I can check in, and that doesn't really do anything. How do we do this? Let's see. Did that complete my quest? How do I bring up my quest window? Let's see. Settings. General. Action keys. The slots. Movement. Character panel is C. Okay, inventory is I. There's a shapeshift. Okay. A lot of stuff in here I've got to play with. Shapeshift actually sounds really cool because that would fit in with a lot of the things I kind of want to do. Pets follow. Oh, yeah, there's a lot. All right, quest default key. There is not one. Interesting. Well, I bet these are little buttons down here to pop it up. Yep, there we go. Quest journal. Ongoing quest. Okay, so it didn't actually complete. Let's see. So go to character. No. Go to world quests. And we've got the objective there. And then the turn in. Oh, that's right. I have to go to the NPC, I think. Let's go to AI, NPCs. Go find the guard, the Space Explorer. Let's wiggle the light back on. Thank you, light. And I'm going to actually rename this guy too. Space Explorer. Let's call him door, or call him hanger guard. And maybe he'll get a better name later. All right, save that. And then go select that hanger guard because it just switched my selection. What's going on here? There we go. Select it. And then I think we go to quest completed. Yep, there we go. And you just have to select the correct quest that I want here, which is going to be that register with security. So save. And okay, let's see if that, I wonder how much of that worked with without me having to reload or redo anything. So walk up, I'm here to check in, complete a quest, register, bam, complete. Sweet. All right, now let's make that give me an item. So let's see. If I want this to give me an item, I don't want a loot bag. No, I don't want to just dropping a loot thing. I just want it to give me an item. So I think here we'll add a loot table. Let's add blink coins and save. And then how do I reset my quest data? I think that's in utility. Progression. Delete quests. Wait. Is that what I want? Is that gonna delete? Interesting. I don't know what this is gonna do. I'm a little bit scared to do it. I don't know if this deletes. Oh, because it says like delete species and races. Yeah, this is probably gonna delete like all of the actual instances that I have there and like clear it out. I like delete all characters for. Okay, let's just create a new character. There must be some way to reset the state on a character though. I can't imagine there's not. Has anybody here used RPG Builder before? I'm really curious. Let's see. Let's name this after Shadowed. Yeah, create. Oh, it's gonna load again. All right, everybody's gonna have to wait a minute for it to load. All right, run over here, open the hangar door again, or the ship door again. Run over here, talk to this dude. He's gonna tell me to go register with security. Yeah, I definitely want to get these to be kind of automatic. Oh wait, did that come up? Did that actually work? This one, where's the button? I get the mouse cursor up. Escape will do it. Okay, so hit escape to bring that up, and then quest journal. Yeah, just double check it. I guess I could have run over there in the time that it took me to find that. So yeah, delete all characters, deletes all the saves. That's the only one that I've used before. I was thinking about hitting the other ones, but then I think that those might delete everything. All right, so let's check my inventory first. Bring that up and say I'm here to check in. I register with security, complete it, and that did not do what I was thinking it was going to do. So let's go back to the quest. World. Quest. Objectives. Oh, automatic. No, that's what I want. The automatic rewards. Where did I pick before? Where did I add a... I don't even know. Did I add it on the task or something? Weird. I don't know what I did. I'm lost. Okay, so automatic rewards and register with security. Do an auto reward of an item. Yeah, we'll just add an actual item because I want something to show up in inventory, and it's going to be that blink coin, and we'll add 100 of them. I don't know if that's... I assume they're going to stack, and that'll be fine. How do I redo this quest? I don't think I can. I mean, I probably can, but I don't know how. If anybody knows how to restart a quest in here, please let me know. I just delete the quest status. All right, new character. Go back to human. Name this one. Okay, I've got to fix that. So the reason it's going into the wrong scene or this doctor scene is because on my races, actually, first let's do two things. I'm going to delete this human race, go to races, and delete that one, and just keep the. Wait, is this the one I want to keep? Hold on. One of these is the bad one. Human robot. I forgot which one it is. All right, let's go test this first, and then we'll clean that up. Then I want to look at a couple more things real quick. So run over here, get a quest. What should I do now? This is register with security. Okay, now it's going to give me some coins. And yep. And then I run over here. And I expect I'm going to get a stack of 100 coins. Here to check in, register, complete, bam. Yeah, I bet there's probably a way to just make a quest repeatable, is my guess. I mean, that should just be an option. Let's oh, here, let's check my inventory. Oh, I don't have any blink coins in it. I don't know why. Oh, wait, right here. Is that why? No, that doesn't make sense. Yeah, I don't see any of those coins. Is there an error? A couple errors, but nothing that looked like an actual issue there. So, huh. That is strange. Okay, let's start playing and play one more time. Yeah, I have 50 of those. I was wondering if that's like some starting amount of coins, because let's see. So I want human. I want to keep the human entry around. So I'm gonna go to character, races, and delete this robot one. And that'll get rid of the extra race. And then we're gonna change the starting game scene to just be the shuttle one, and the starting coordinate to be the shuttle one. So that way I don't have to bounce through that doctor scene. All right, let's stop playing and play again. And I'm only going to have one. Well, maybe I'll have, instead of classes, I'll have some jobs. Let's see. A new character. Yep, human. Gotta, obviously we'll change that default lookout later. Create them. I want to see how many coins I start with, if I start with any coins, if that's what that was. So yeah, I had 0. Okay, so what the hell happened? So I had 0. Where's that quest? World quests, register with security. Yeah, it should be giving me 100 coins. Let's change this to give 75 coins. Did I get like taxed 50% on my coins? Oh, and you know what? I want this to do something else too, because I don't want just these little coins. I want let's get some cloth boots. Those will go well with my thing. Let's get some cloth boots for my little robot. All right, let's run over here. Close that inventory. Open that up. I feel like that should probably just open on its own. Or at least, at the very least, it should be very, very obvious that you got to go click on it, because it seems kind of dumb. All right, we'll run over here. Sprint, sprint, sprint. Look at my little blue bar go down. Yeah, 50% is kind of high. All right, here to check in. Let's open up my inventory window, register. So it should give me 1 cloth chest. Oh, look at that. It even has nice inventory. Yeah, that shows its currency. Complete. Inventory is full. Huh. Well, that's a strange one, huh? Why is that? Let's clear the log. Inventory is full. Okay. Let's see if we can figure out why that might happen. I don't see anything in a quick search online. We'll do a, let's see, see if ChatGPT says anything. No. Maybe it's, oh, I wonder if it's because it's trying to put 70. Let's try changing that number. Let's try changing that to 5 coins real quick. I'm gonna switch that over to a 5. I wonder if that's trying to add actual coins. I thought it's adding currency though. I swear that's what I saw before. Was that it was adding currency? Let's see, register, complete. Okay, and that, yeah, I think that's a bug. That seems kind of buggy. Like adding more currency and items at the same time. Huh. Well, let's go figure that out and fix it real quick. See if we can't. I mean, it should be pretty simple. Let's recreate it. Change that data back. So make a new character. We'll name this 75 bucks. Create them. And then we'll change that quest. So go back to world and quests. And we'll change this count to be 70. Oh, wrong quest. Change this count to be 75. So it should be adding 75 coins and 1 cloth chest. And just make sure that we get that same error. I just got to do a quick repro first before we go try to debug it. Otherwise, we might be debugging something that isn't actually happening and then have no idea why we can't figure out what's going on. Just going to make sure that it's happening. It should just tell me there's an error or pop up and say, yep, inventory is full. So now we're going to open up the code. Let's make sure that we've got a wrong window. Edit and preferences. Make sure we got Writer switched over. We're going to use the new version of Writer too. And we'll go into our code. Step 1, find that error message. All right. Oh, I wonder, no, well, add currency. Then why is that a interesting? Okay, I think you're making sense here. But why is there an Okay, I get it. Never mind. We don't really need to debug anything. In chat, that makes a lot of sense. So what's going on here, the problem is that it looks like there's an item for coins, which are probably like for picking up and placing in the world. And then they add a coin to your inventory. And then there's an option for currency. And then that adds just a coin probably directly. So I bet if I change this to 75 blink coins right here and change this to be 1 cloth belt, that's going to work fine. And there are no bugs, nothing to debug, just me missing something. So thank you for calling that out. That definitely helps. Register with security. Let's open up my inventory. Complete. Bam. There we go. Perfect. All right. So, wow, that's pretty nice. How do we add more currencies? I wonder, can we have multiple? I would assume we can. We should be able to have multiple currencies. Is that an economy? Yep, currencies. Let's add a couple coins. So let's see. We've got a blink coin. It's got some default values. Superior currency. Those are probably for trade-ins. Is that a new one? Let's call this alien bucks. And give it some sort of icon. Oh, you guys can't see that. It's right off the screen. Hold on, I'll drag it over in a second. See if there's a just some kind of temporary money-looking icon or alien-looking symbol. Or see if it's really this easy to just add another currency. All right, yeah, we'll add that. It's a terrible alien coin, but whatever. And we'll cap that at 10,000. Start at 0. Oh, and it can convert to other currencies. Perfect. I wonder if that could be dynamic. Okay, so here's my alien bucks with the graphics. Let's go add that to the quest reward. World quests, and then I'm gonna delete this other quest. This blink guard quest. I don't want it. Okay, there we go. And then we'll change the currency. Or actually, I'm just gonna add another. How do I add another reward? We're gonna add another currency, and it's gonna be one of the alien bucks. So we'll add 10 alien bucks. All right, save and play. New character. We'll name this one Astif. And run over. Say hello. What should I do now? Go register with security. And yep, got the quest. Then we run over here. And talk to security, who is not animating at all and just standing there weirdly. Come here to check in. And oh, interesting. Where's my quests? Interesting. I got the quest journal is working, but why is this guy not showing the quest anymore? AI, NPCs, hangar guard, quest complete, register with security, dude. What did I miss here? Oh yeah, I could always use some sleep. That is 100% the case all the time, but can't sleep. Stuff to do. All right, I'm gonna remove his loot table. So yeah, he should be registering with this guy, right? So I register with security. Is the quest that he turns in? Why is he not doing the turn in? This is the guy. Interesting. What have I missed? Let's see. Hangar guard. He's got that quest to complete. Do I no? Okay, so he needs to have that. I don't know. Why did it disappear? It was there a minute ago. Okay, let's try this one more time. Oh wait, we've got a exception here in the oh, I did delete that other quest. Did that bug everything out now? Oh, I bet it's like the default quest that's given. Okay, that's probably what's happening. I bet there's a default quest that was that blink one, and it's assigned to the racer class that I picked. So I've got to go remove that real quick. Okay, I can do that. Give me 1 second. Now that I know what's going on, I got a pretty good idea what's going on. As soon as it finishes reloading domain, at least. That's okay. Let me find this link real quick. I can add it to the description. Yeah, Safari. I haven't had any caffeine in like 3 days too, so I assume I'm gonna look and feel kind of dead for a while. The whole lack of caffeine and just not having. I'm trying to lose the caffeine addiction. We'll see how it works. Okay, so yeah, I wanted to show and share this. So I was talking earlier. Here, drop it. Let me find the link for the description. I'll drop it onto there as well, so you can just refresh and grab it if you want. And oh, here, I can drop it into the chat. That's the Shadowbox Studio. So it allows you to putting the description in. It lets you essentially take or create icons of game objects really easily. It's something that I've done before, and usually like I would go in and make a little script to kind of do it, set up a scene and all that. But this one just kind of does it for you. Just drop the game object in the right spot, position it how you want, and pick the options, and you get a little icon right in your project. Works great. So I thought I definitely need to give it a shout out since I think I forgot to add it to my list in that list down below. All right. Let's keep going. Why is this not loading? Reloading domain. I don't know what's going on here. Give it a second. Oh, my YouTube with my Frozen soundtrack. That's good stuff. All right, we're just gonna restart Unity real quick. It seems to have completely died, and I don't know why. It's reloading domain. Something that I did in RPG Builder, I think has killed it. Or at least caused it to be very upset. All right, come on, Unity. Can you shut down? All right. Let's see. There we go. All right, it should start any second. By the way, has anybody used the newest version of Writer? I was curious if anybody's tried it out. It's got the new built-in AI assistant stuff. I've been playing with it a little bit lately, but curious if anybody's got kind of extensive experience with it. It's my little load hanger script. Haven't really had to write much code for this project. It's been really strange. I'm not used to building things where I don't have to write a bunch of code. So used to writing all the code. This is a kind of a weird and different experience. It's fun, but weird and different at the same time. All right, let's see. We got this up. Okay, and I was gonna go look at my character and see if it was like the starting stuff. Let's see, starting abilities, starting items for classes. Is there like a starting quests? What is doing it? What is giving them that quest? Or maybe that wasn't the problem. Okay. Let's press play. Let's go to the console. Press play and see what happens. All right, no errors yet. Make a new character. We'll name him Robot Guy. Create. And we've got some exceptions. And I think that those ones, get back down there. These ones right here are probably the issue. Oh, let's see. Nameplate data holder. Oh, okay. For some combat thing. Oh, that's some NPCs. Interesting. What the heck are those? 2 NPC spawners are having a problem with their nameplate? What? What is all this nonsense? All right. And we'll figure it out. What should I do? Register with security. There's all the stuff it should give me. And close. Oh. Given key 0 was not valid. Quest interaction panel. Okay, what's that? This is an issue. Let's go check it out. It's trying. Yeah, it is trying to find a quest by quest ID. What is get quests? The dictionary. Okay. So it's got an invalid. Let me go just check the data in here for these guys. I wonder if it got corrupted somehow. Doctor quests given. Let's just remove and re-add it. Get that register there. Save. Hanger guard quest completed. I'm gonna remove it and re-add it. And save, and then I'm gonna go find that quest. So ever since I deleted that default quest that was in there, everything broke, and I don't quite get why. It is very strange. Base info. Is that a new quest? Default. Save. I was hoping it would get an ID of one. Okay. So register with security. Is there something in here that's like missing? Oh, here. Let's give him an item on start too. I don't know what that is. I'll give him a Star Warrior glove. Save. Oh no, do I not get to get my quest again? Let's abandon it. Can I abandon it? No. What is this error? Let's check this out. Where was that? What line was that on? 277. If current complete quest, get quest. What is the quest ID that it's trying to get? It doesn't make sense. It seems like the quest completed list on the NPC contains. Oh, I have a good idea of what it is. Let's check. Hit abandon. Go to my breakpoint. I bet this NPC is. Oh no, doctors. Okay, so it's not going to break on this one, right? It's going to be fine on this one. Oh no, it's not fine on that one because quest ID 0 is not the quest ID of something that the doctor. Oh, the doctor has a. Wait, we're on the doctor. Oh, okay. I know the problem now. Huh. I need a better error message here. So the doctor must have, if I find him, AI NPCs. He must say that he completes a quest. Yep, that's blank. That was the problem. Okay. Yeah, okay. Abandon. Now, does it all work? Does it work? I do like that. That is one thing that's really nice. Since it's saving everything through scriptable objects that are all referenced and just kind of can change at runtime, you don't have to restart the game to reload your data. That is definitely cool. So that's a nice big benefit here. All right, so I got my free item. Let's make this window bigger. Make that window smaller. And let's run over and talk to the dude now. Let's wiggle the lights. Wiggle on lights. All right, cool. Now I should be able to run over here, talk to the guard. And I'm guessing I figured it out and I'll be able to complete the quest. Complete. Bam. Got the coins. Okay, so I didn't get the new currency down here. Why is that? That's a good question. What's this error about? Something with the nameplate. Oh, has completed quest. Must be something else with one of the data bits. I don't like that it just throws these errors when data's bad, but what you gonna do? I also don't want to rebuild a whole bunch of systems, so it's okay. We just add some error logging. All right, blink coin, that one. How do we set up the UI for it? So that's going to be in somewhere in here. There's a UI one. Where is that? Settings? Yes. Okay, settings, UI, essential. Oh, that's right. And then there's a prefab. And that prefab, I'm gonna guess has a thing for them. Let's check. All right, go to scene view here. We got the prefab open. Inventory. Let's search. Perfect. It's named well. And the alpha is just set to 0. So we'll set the alpha to 1. And then remove that filter. Sweet. Okay, so there's the inventory window. And then let's look down at the bottom. Currency slot. Yep. Currency icon, currency amount. Oh, okay, and you just bind it to a currency. So if I want to add another one, hit W or Control D, W. We'll move this over here. This would be my alien currency. Alien bucks. And then, why did it not change the icon here? Let's do that. What the heck was that icon named? Alien bucks currency. Icon 1. Nice. That is a great name. Okay. We'll go find it and just assign icon 1. I don't know why it's not automatically assigning though. Kind of surprised. It probably can. It might do it at runtime too. All right. That looks good. I want to set the alpha back to 0. And then back out. Save. Okay, game view. I don't think, okay, I didn't think that was going to show up in there. Let's see. 99% sure it's not. But we'll just double check. Not that one. It's this one. Game UI canvas. Panels. It was panels, right? Yeah, inventory. Currency slot. Yeah, that's what I thought. I assumed it wasn't going to reload the... Wouldn't make any sense because when you load into the scene, it kind of breaks that prefab reference automatically. All right. Let's create another character. Check my inventory. Ah, there we go. I'm at negative 1. Okay, I should get 5 of them. No, I got some other item for starting. That's right. I have no idea why I started with -1. That's an odd one. All right, let's run over here. Let's see if I at least go up to 9. Jump, 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 jump. All right, say hello. I'm here to check in. Register and complete. And I still have -1 items. Okay. What's going on there? What is it? There must be something else that needs to be done. Character and character data, huh? Got 2 currencies. It's got the correct amounts. So it must be something in that UI. Let's go check panels. Inventory. Got that other currency slot. Currency slot has this. Oh, yeah, no, it's referencing its correct children. Yeah, I don't. Okay, what tells this thing to update? Currency slot display holder. Update currency slot. If currency is null, it does nothing. Otherwise, it puts in an amount. And then this gets called an inventory panel, update currency, or update all currencies. What calls update all currencies? Show. So show should be calling through there. Let's hit F5 real quick and do a quick debug. So hit I and I. I and I and I and I and I and I. Why is that not calling show? I would assume that that's calling show. Okay, Let's tab out again. Am I not attached? What's going on here? Let's try reattaching. I am using the beta version. I wonder if that's it. Or if I changed my code. Let's try that again. Oh, actually, let's put a breakpoint right in here too. Oh, is it doing that again? Okay, I don't know what's going on in here. Let's make sure I'm unattached. This happened a little while ago though, and I had to kill Unity. Seems like it's just getting stuck. I don't know why. All right, we'll get that fixed. Well, how's everybody doing today? Anybody doing anything interesting or fun? Okay, so got that back over there. I'm going to attach here and press play. I feel like there's probably just somewhere I was supposed to add the currency stuff. I should probably look it up too. Let's see, RPG builder currency, just in case there's like some steps. RPG currencies and RPG builder. Okay, currencies. Okay, currency slots are in there, and panels, currency slot. Just as many as you want. Yeah, I don't see. Okay, I don't see anything special in here. Let's see if this video says something though. Oh, except I don't know if YouTube will play it. Display currency. Okay, yeah, just that. That's what I assumed. Oh, are we at the breakpoint? Yes. Okay, update currency slot. So if the currency is null, which it is not, it's a blink coin. That one works fine, and it's got the correct amount, I assume. Yeah, it says, oh, -1. Okay, -1 coins. Interesting. Why does it have -1 coins? Okay, and then the next one is going to be, this is the other coins, and I'm guessing it's also got -1. And something else must be setting the other coin to 0 later? Okay, oh, that's because I didn't have a character loaded. So let's create sadef. And then, yeah, okay, some reflection probe stuff with the ship. An error part with the quest maybe? No, this is check to see if you have a completion, and then I hit I for the panel. Okay, here we go. And it shows update all currencies calls. This is the first one. The blink, oh. Okay, so it didn't call update currency slot again. Okay, cool. Show is actually toggling. So update all currencies is calling. And then it's going through all of the currency. Oh, all currency slots. What's this? List of all currency slots. And this is on the inventory panel. What fills this? Does anything fill it, or do I need to do it myself? It looks like absolutely nothing does, and that's the spot I needed. So just go find the inventory panel, which must mean there's probably a panel for each one of these things is my guess then. Let's go find that. Settings, no, settings UI, essentials, double click that essentials to open it up. And then find the inventory. Yep, there's an inventory panel. Here we go. And then it has currency slots and other slots. Okay, so this is something that I definitely needed to know about. So add that alien currency slot. Save our prefab. And play. And now it's going to work. Watch this. Oh, any plans for tomorrow? So, yeah, tomorrow's 4th of July here in the US. My plans are probably just going to be hanging out with a bunch of toddlers and letting them play with some sparklers and watching the random fireworks that go off everywhere. They're kind of illegal here, but all around, you just go outside and kind of see them everywhere. So just let the kids go stand outside and watch those for a few until they get bored. They see a lot of fireworks, so they don't get too excited about it. And I don't have any family that lives really close or anything, so we'll just be hanging out with the kids mostly. Let's run over here. Probably swimming and talk to him. Check in. Oh, let's check my inventory. Okay, 0 coins, 0 of the alien ones, 10 and 75. All right. So let's see. If everybody wants to see it up close. There we go. Got my new beautiful items. Not really the items I want to have, but kind of got something at least. All right, I want to do a couple more little things real quick before I get going. Let's see. So moved everything into a game subfolder. I'm pulling in so many assets, I want to kind of leave them in the root. Oh yeah, what I'm saying is I have a test group. Yes, they're definitely available for testing. Oh, cool. Working on polishing a game. Polishing is always a fun but very slow and time-consuming process. All right, so first thing I wanted to do here was kind of guide the player in the right direction. So I think I'm going to move this guy over a little bit. I'm going to take this NPC, this doctor here. I'm going to move him over here just a little bit. And then I want to put some crates kind of over here blocking this way. So they're kind of led to go around here and ideally not fall off the edge. I think I'll put something on the edge later that stops them. Or like, I think I'm going to put a force field there, but I need to go find one. If anybody knows of a good force field shader I can grab or material I can just grab on the asset store, let me know. I'll just grab it. It's just something, it's just using built-in right now. So you know of something like that, please drop it in the comments. All right, so here we go. Some containers. Yeah, like that. And I'm just gonna kind of stack some of these out here. So they take a couple. Oh, that is tiny. That's much smaller than I was thinking. That's a little bit bigger. That's a little bit bigger. Okay, so yeah, more like that. Let's get the grab it window up. And shrunk down because that is obnoxious. What happened? I've maximized it. No. Okay. There we go. So I'm going to go to fall mode and resume. There we go. And then let's pause. Go select the right thing. Do a couple more of these. Probably use, where's the place? Like that. Let's just make some more. Interesting. It just kind of launches them out into space, huh? how you duplicate them without making them all go flying. There we go. That kind of blocks it off. I think that give them some line of sight. Let's see. Oh, Huffle shader. Let me go take a look at that again. Oh, okay. Magic circles and shields, maybe. Maybe not. Is there a specific one in here you're thinking of? I really want like a it's kind of like a sci-fi, force field wall type thing. I assume there's got to be quite a few of them out there. Yeah, Cody, with the AI stuff, I would just start making it now. I mean, make what you want, and then if the AI stuff changes things in the future, it changes it. But you can always kind of start implementing that yourself as well, or just kind of keep it kind of I guess themed so that it's unique enough and doesn't matter. I mean, that's my goal here is just to make something short and funny, and not worry too much about competing with anybody else. I want to have fun building it and make something that kind of entertains me. I would recommend doing kind of the same, unless you have super specific goals on revenue and cash and all that kind of stuff. then do something slightly different, maybe. Okay, yeah, I don't see. So yeah, what I want is like a nice big visual for this wall here, and I think there's actually a wall, but it just doesn't look great. Where is it? Let me see if I can go find it. Yeah, this one right here. So it can close off, but that texture is not really doing it for me. It's slightly completely low res, and I also want it to be a view out into space. I don't want it to be this view into nothing. So you need like a force field material. Let's just drag that on there. That's some sort of transparent. We can kind of see through, but not with this material. I want to find something good. So yeah, if anybody sees some good, I mean, we could make one, but I'm terrible at making graphics. You grab like some grids and then just make it move. But yeah, if anybody's got something that already exists, because doing it in built-in, we'd have to go in and actually do something to write the shader, and again, terrible at that. So if anybody's got something or recommend something, let me know, and I'll just drop it in. Until then, though, we'll just leave a transparent, weird-looking wall. All right, let's put this into fall mode. Fall. Why is it not falling? Fall. Resume. There we go. Okay. So yeah, I want to put, the other thing I wanted was to have a line of people kind of waiting to go talk to security, or maybe multiple security. Actually, let's do that. I'll do multiple security guards, and they'll be talking to other characters that you can't deal with. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, let's go find this guy. Getting excited for a second. Oh, first I'll move these containers over, move those into the props folder. I'll go find the NPC guard spawner. So that's this guy right here. W, go into move mode. I'm going to duplicate and do another one. And we're going to make another version of the guard that's busy. So I'm going to make a hanger guard. We'll go to AI, NPCs, hanger guard, and busy. And this would just be one that they cannot talk to and they can't really do anything with. So I'm going to turn everything off. I'll leave nameplates on. And, oh, did I duplicate? No, damn it. Duplicate. Okay, let's do that. Oh, sweet. That actually did what I wanted. That's cool. That's nice. So did it leave my old settings? Yes. So it kept the new one. It didn't like the display name though. I'll just make it busy hanger guard. I'll call that. Ooh, what the heck happened there? Why did it switch characters? Okay. So no quest, can't be targeted, not interactable. Save, and then that's what we'll use here. Find a busy hanger guard, and perfect. Then I'll do one more of those, like over here. Be talking to some other alien. And then I'm going to drag these aliens over there. So this guy. Drag them over here. Eventually I'll make these guys into NPCs too. But for now I just want to get a couple dudes. They look like they're standing there kind of talking to him. This dignitary dude. Why is he in a weird running state? That is so strange. So he'll be over here, turned and talking to. Let's see. So what's going on with this weird controller? Okay. So it enters and it goes into a crouch forward. Let's change that. Eventually we'll, yeah, let's do that one. Set as default. So these packs got a ridiculous number of animations. All right, let's see what that looks like real quick. All right, let's go to the scene view. Cool, so he'll be standing there. This guy, oh, let's change his animator controller too to do something a little bit less aggressive. Let's see, he can do, does he have like an idle or a talk? He just has a taunt, of course. Make him difficult to be an NPC, but we'll figure it out. All right, let's play that. I want to see what that looks like real quick. Okay, the goal is have all these. Yeah, that'll be fine. It'll just look like he's growling at the dude. All right, let's load in the thing. Goal is to have them all be kind of like different alien races that are all on a planet. I've been watching way too much Babylon 5 lately. Just again better than I thought it would be. It's still kind of old, but it's pretty good, and it makes me really want to make a game with lots of different aliens that do different stuff, and then make some really creepy things that are like super nice. Like I want to make that the big predator alien race be like the super nice pacifist ones, and it makes something super cute that looks that'll kill you every chance they get. All right, so I got the quest to register for security. And run over here. There's no more weird stuff going on, but the plan is like bring them back to this spot in a minute. So we run over here. There's security guards. Security guards are not animating, right? This guy is a busy hanger guard, won't talk to me. And then these guys are regular hanger guard that will. And here's another busy hanger guard. Okay, so the plan now is let's fix these hanger guards so they animate. Go care AI. Well, busy and regular hanger guard are both using, if I remember right, the same template. So I use the Space Explorer NPC preset, which means I go to presets and find Space Explorer. And I'm going to call this hanger guard because I've renamed it. May as well rename it here. Even though, it does refer to Space Explorer prefab down here. Ah, and then those are the different visuals. Interesting. I wonder how you set up like visual variations, because there's a whole bunch of different versions of this guy. Okay, but either way, let's go fix the avatar. So the avatar shouldn't be that. It should be a Space Explorer one. Is it female avatar or regular? I think regular one. There's female and there was one that didn't say anything. And then the animator controller. I don't know if merchant is right. I guess it's okay. He's going to do the same things as a merchant. Seems good. Let's save. Play. Yeah, Doctor Who makes me want to add stuff from there too. Every time I watch a sci-fi show, I want to make a sci-fi game. So now, just doing it. We'll just make the sci-fi game and add all of the fun sci-fi stuff. Oh, getting hungry. All right, run over here. Open the door. And run over here, get the quest. What should I do? Go register with security, play him. All right, if anybody's got an idea for the next quest to put in, drop it in chat. I want to put something in and I'm kind of blanking on ideas. Okay, why are these guys not animating right? What the heck's going on here? Oh, they are animating. Good. Are they on the ground? Where's the shadows? It's really hard to tell what's going on here. This guy floating above the ground. Yeah, they are. Why are they floating up there above the ground? What's up with that position here? Let's see. Where do they need to be? That's 0 and it needs to be at, wrong object. Select the actual guy. Space Explorer. He's at 0. Oh, that's the wrong thing too. Come on. Expand. Go select them. Space Explorer clone and move them down. Needs to be down about 0.7. Okay. Now, let's see if that's, yeah, it looks like it's about right for those objects too. Let's go into the scene. Shuttle. And, oh yeah, those are way up there. So if we go to my NPCs, go find my 3 guards here. I can just move them down to about a 0.7. I wonder what will grab it do with these. Fall, resume? Ah, no. Undo, okay. I was wondering if it was going to like create a collider right in the center and then drop them down. That would be kind of nice. I wonder, can it do that? Let's see, let's go find this one. Where's the one I have selected? Ah, it's this one. Go to place, W. Now if I drag it around, does it try to fall? Oh, okay. I guess not, but V works to just vertex snap it, so I'll just do that instead. So here we'll close, grab it, select this one. Let's go find the other one. Hold V. I thought it was working. Yeah, there we go. Hold V, drag it, and snap it to the bottom, and then move it over. And then we'll do the same on this one. This one? Oh, is it not that one? Ah, it's this one right here. Okay, V, drag, and let it snap. Oh, come on. There we go. V. Why is it not snapping? Come on. Ah, there we go. Just didn't drag far enough away, I guess. And now it's down. All right, that should place them all there. All right, let's check quest. Have the King Arthur check the Ripper mysteriously disappear. That might be a little bit too far out, but I will consider it. Yeah, they're floating a little bit. They were floating a whole lot. All right, so after you get the quest, I think I'm gonna add a dialogue. That's what I'm gonna do next. We'll do a quick dialogue with actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna go eat is what I'm gonna do next, because I'm getting hungry and it's time for food. So I'll just check everything in and go grab some food instead. And then maybe tomorrow or Wednesday, come back and do dialogue and stuff. All right, I have no idea if anybody has any interest in watching these, but if so, hit the thumbs up. Let me know, and I'll just keep live streaming as I put this stuff together. I'm gonna kind of show how all the stuff gets dropped in, or at least as much of it as possible. Show that process and show people how to kind of quickly throw together a game, and that this is it's a lot of fun, and I think you can see how quickly stuff kind of comes together. So let's see, let's add everything. It's a lot of stuff in there. It changes. There are a ton of files here that are marked as changed, like 6,000. It's because I rearranged things a lot. I moved the asset packs that I've imported back to their root original folders, and then just moved all my custom stuff into a subfolder. And I don't usually do that, but I don't usually pull in this many asset packs. And right now I'm pulling in a lot, and I plan to keep pulling in more because I want to build this thing really, really fast without having to hire any more artists than I've already done, and without having to bring in anybody else. Just trying to be able to get it done and knocked out really, really quickly. So lots fast. That's our kind of a key part of that, especially for an RPG. I mean, some other kinds of games you could obviously build really fast with no assets at all, but an RPG, something kind of bigger scale, you need kind of a starting ground, need lots of art, and I also don't want to. I want to have like lots of cool effects and different things in there, but I don't want to spend a whole bunch of time on any of them because none of them will be kind of the core of the game. I spend most of the time on the core of the game and then add in and kind of pull in other random little cool stuff along the way. As soon as it's done finding changes, I'll check this in and we'll get going. Yeah, diet and exercise is definitely important. That's something I always gonna work on too. I think I might start working out again. It's been like 20 years since I did, but it certainly helps. And I think I'm gonna rewire that light soon. I mean, I kind of like it better on camera dark in here, but I really hate it for my eyes. So, all right, is this checking it or not? Maybe I'll do it later. By the way, if you haven't tried out that Parsec thing, I did a video about it last week. You should definitely grab it, try it out. It's freaking awesome. I've been using it lately to just remote in, so I haven't been committing nearly as much on here, especially with these big commits, because I've just been remote desktoped in and not necessarily needed it. But the main thing that it's been helpful for is running GameDev stuff on a super high-end system while I'm doing it from my laptop. So I kind of stopped using my gaming laptop that's back behind me, and now I mostly just use this little touchscreen laptop that I have and remote desktop in, and I still get the same performance. Everything just kind of works, but I have this nice lightweight thing instead. So highly recommend checking it out, and it's free. I'm on the free plan, and it just kind of works. So yeah, it seems really cool. All right, I have no idea if this is ever going to finish, so I will remote in later and check it out and fix it. Until then, I guess I will see you all later. So yeah, see you all in a couple days or tomorrow. I don't know, probably not tomorrow, probably the day after tomorrow, because tomorrow's 4th of July. So happy 4th of July, and don't forget to subscribe and like and all that stuff if you haven't already. Drop a comment if you got ideas for stuff to put into this too. Got some just thoughts, or if you saw something that I did that was dumb or misusing RPG Builder. Love to kind of fix it and figure all that stuff out. All right, see y'all later.